Here we are on the new Ocean View lot listing in Dunehaven. It's a second tier lot with a wonderful view. We're looking out east toward the backside of the property. It's a corner lot, and so it's got a nice angle. It's a high dune setting. I'm at about 8 feet off the ground right now, so the view you're about to see is not as good as it would be from a second floor. About a main floor view by the time you build, really, a little bit higher. But it's got a fantastic view. We got city water, city sewer, power, everything's right here ready to go. It's in a very nice neighborhood with an easy walk to the beach, which we're going to do right now. The beach at this end of our 18 miles is a nice combination of sand with patches of rock for finding agates and shells and beach glass and occasional glass ball. The Dunehaven subdivision has a walking access for the owners here in this plat. It's right over here at the intersection of Dunecrest and Dunehaven. And one of the features of this part of the beach is that from just before Memorial Day to the end of September, this stretch of beach is not allowed for beach driving. So even though wintertime vehicles can drive up and down, through most of the year, it's a very pedestrian-friendly beach. And if you want to get out on the beach with a vehicle, you can head down south about 4 miles, 5 miles, and get out on the beach for easy access. But this is primarily for walking and enjoying. This is early April. It's a beautiful sunny day. Say it's probably about 60 degrees. Before we crest the dune here, let me do you a panoramic about what the neighborhood to the north looks like. And on around. And looking that way is the Cohasset Beach development, high-end Ray Johnston designed homes. And then lots of dune. Let's keep walking. The whales have started passing by, so you can often see whales spouting in the surf right out front here. Also a pretty good surfing location just north of here. Just about high tide. And there's that beautiful beach. Spring break for part of the state. Still, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 5 people that way. And 1 or 2 people that way looking down the rest of the 18 miles of beach. Big swell. Charter boats didn't go out today, but they've been doing very well with lingcod. This beautiful view lot is available right now. Email Westportmike@windermere.com.